In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bulleted lists in Microsoft Word. Whether you're organizing ideas, making checklists, or breaking up dense paragraphs, bulleted lists help your content scan better and look more professional. I'll walk you through highlighting your text, applying bullets from the Home tab, and using a handy keyboard shortcut so you can work faster. Start by selecting the text you want to turn into a list. Click and drag your mouse across the lines you want included. You can also place your cursor at the beginning of the first line, hold Shift, and tap the arrow keys to extend the selection. Make sure each item you want as a bullet sits on its own line. Word treats each paragraph break as a new bullet. If you accidentally include extra spaces or blank lines, they'll appear as empty bullets, so keep your selection clean and intentional. With your text highlighted, go to the Home tab. In the paragraph group, click the Bullets button, the icon that looks like 3 dots with lines. Instantly, each selected line becomes a bulleted item using Word's default style. If you'd like a different look, open the bullet drop-down next to the icon and choose from filled, hollow, square, or custom symbols. You can even define a new bullet using a symbol or a picture if you want a unique style for your document. If the bullets feel too indented or not indented enough, use Increase Indent or Decrease Indent in the same paragraph group to fine-tune the alignment so it matches your document's layout. For a faster workflow, apply bullets with a keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl and the period key together. With your text highlighted, this quickly toggles bullets on or off, making it great for rapid formatting. If the shortcut doesn't behave as expected on your setup, check Word's keyboard preferences to confirm your shortcut mappings. Once you get used to it, this method is often quicker than moving your mouse to the ribbon. A couple of quick tips as you polish your list. Keep each bullet concise and parallel in structure so your points are easy to read. If you need subpoints, indent them to create a nested list for clearer hierarchy. And if spacing looks a little tight or loose, adjust line spacing or paragraph spacing to improve readability without changing the overall style. That's all there is to it. Highlight your text, apply bullets from the Home tab, or use Ctrl+Period for a speedy toggle. With these simple techniques, your documents will look cleaner and communicate more clearly.